Okay guys, so welcome to my old craft room. I've been wanting one of these forever. All the things, so let's go. Thursday morning, I just got word from Scrapbox that they want me to do the Black Friday video. And I really want this Scrapbox, so I'm gonna do it. First, I have to move stuff out of the other room. So we cleaned the entire garage, and there's more room in there now for me to put all the Auntie extra stuff. So I'm gonna put everything in there, and then I'm going to take the homeschool stuff and move it into the guest room, and then I'm going to put the furniture kind of where I want it, and then Dustin will be back in town tomorrow, and we're gonna paint this room, put the baseboard in, which those are all things that I was planning to do anyways, but this is just really kicking me into gear, so I'm very excited about it. So the Scrapbox comes on Monday. I ordered a new couch for this room. I want this done and finished like a week before Thanksgiving, so I can decorate. We decorate for Christmas the day after Thanksgiving. I don't want to be doing any renovation stuff or home stuff. I want this to be ready to decorate for Christmas. Purging craft supplies, purging homeschool supplies. So I can literally open up to have like a studio and close it and have a living room. That's the goal. All right, don't feel well today, so I need to get all this stuff done. Update, all the homeschool stuff is now up in that room, and I'm pulling all my craft supplies out. I suggest pre-planning kind of where you're gonna put the stuff in. If you're getting the Dreambox pre-assembled, like it will probably only take a few hours to put it together because it's just 3 pieces, and then you can spend all the time putting the stuff in it. All right guys, it is 4 o'clock and I now have this room. Everything is moved to the center, thank you Hunter, of the room so that we can get in and do all the baseboards and paint. I still have a few more hours to work on this. So this room is done and ready. I just gotta take a couple things off the wall, but the rest of the house looks like a hot mess. Let me show you. Okay, this is Auntie stuff that I need to go organize into the garage. It's not as bad as it looks. It's mostly bins, like there's a couple bins, and then I just threw a couple things on top of it. But this was all in the closets of the guest room. I got this kid helping me. She's scrubbing vinyl off of, you're using Clorox wipes still? All right, well, she's scrubbing vinyl off of my old thing so that I can reuse it for something else, because all the stuff that's in here is going into the Scrapbox, right? All right. Okay, guys, this is what the homeschool room looks like. So this morning I started by taking everything out of these 2 closets, which had like a lot of my Auntie stuff in it, and I moved 2 shelves in here, and that's all homeschool stuff. This is mostly pillows. We have so many pillows. This room always looks like crazy, and then I get it clean in like a second because it's really not that bad. Okay, but we have a party in 2 hours. How much of this can I tackle? That's copyrighted music.
Oh my god.
Hey, I like that VidCon shirt.
You like my VidCon shirt?
It's got paint all over it. Did you just get the free shirt to wear it so you can paint in?
I need more coffee.
Then make some.
Before we get going.
Do you know what I did yesterday?
Nothing. You see? Nothing.
No, you think that it's just this room. I made that room a homeschool room. I moved all my Auntie stuff out to the garage. I made this room look like this. I dusted every single piece.
You moved all the girls' homeschool stuff into the other room?
Yes.
You didn't just empty this room?
No. Go look at it. I decorated it. I organized it. Babe, I was up at the crack of dawn. I didn't even vlog that much because I just wanted to get it done.
You ready for today?
No.
Why not?
Because this is a lot.
Come on, we can do this.
This is the part I wasn't excited.
All right, tell me what we're gonna do today.
Okay, so we are going to put in baseboard and paint. White or gray?
White.
And then I'm gonna try to German schmear that.
Are we gonna German smear the fireplace?
I'm gonna try. I don't know how to do that.
You must be feeling better today.
I'm not sick, I just have a stuffy nose.
Yeah, well, you sound stuffed.
Do you see these worms?
Yes.
Do you see these worms?
Yes, they're
So,
everywhere.
I love brick. And when we got this house, it has brick. It had a lot of brick, but we took out a lot of brick. And then I realized this brick is fake brick. It has these weird worms in it.
It's not fake, it's real brick.
It's real brick, but like in 1979, they thought it was like this cool thing to take and like Dremel some worms in, which I guess is probably like what shiplap is gonna be in 10 years. People are gonna be like, what is this shiplap?
But you mean they didn't come manufactured like that?
No, look, they like, some of that, I don't know, we've debated, me and friends have looked at this, it continues onto this brick right here.
Oh,
So I
yeah.
feel like someone came in and
like-
Dremeled. I don't know, because some of them don't, so I don't know. The more I saw it, the more all I saw was worms. Mystery piece is going right there.
Mystery piece.
Mystery piece.
Is that why we're doing this 2-day scramble to revamp this room?
Yeah, because I'm getting a piece that I've wanted for literally years.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Yeah, mastering my technique.
Yeah.
I needed both of these, so thanks for getting them for me. Picking up a mound of it, slopping it on, no rhyme or reason, and then I just kind of smooth it out. And you do that over and over again, I think. I don't know, making it up. That's the beauty of being an artist, right?
That's right. Or DIY.
If it doesn't work out, it's not German schmear anymore. It's Auntie schmudge. We have spent all weekend finishing this room, and I'm about to show you where we're at right now. And I have things kind of like all over the house, but let me just show you what we're at. Look at how white this room is. It's white. So I German schmeared the fireplace. It definitely doesn't look white since the walls are so white. My workstation is gonna be in that corner. We've patched the big hole. We pulled everything down. We painted it. Baseboards are on. We finished up painting all the baseboards last night. So that's ready to go. Fur wall is gone. I painted in there. Dustin floored in there. We gotta put our vent back on there. But everything is pretty much prepped and ready to go. I started hanging pictures back up after I painted it. And so I have that station, which I'm still undecided. I'm putting all my craft stuff there for now because that's all stuff that I'm gonna put into the Dreambox. And then, so we have that station, my workstation. We'll have the ultimate craft station over here. And then in that corner will be this piece right here. And I'm thinking it's gonna be office storage. So I'll have workstation with office storage across on that side. Morning guys, it's coffee time and no craft box. I had a feeling it wasn't gonna come yesterday just because that was so quick for them to turn around and get it here. And it did say estimated delivery day was yesterday, but it was Veterans Day yesterday, so I kind of was hoping, but Dustin's out of town today, so I literally have to find some men to help me. Because this Scrapbox is huge, and it comes in like a huge crate, and I'm supposed to have a vlog up by Friday, and it's Tuesday, so I don't even have it here yet. There's the wall waiting for it to go on. I wasn't so sure how I liked the German schmear, but now that I have this couch in here, it is so cute. I'm like, okay, I feel like I'm in a like actual studio. It's so cute. I don't know, my dad's supposed to come help me, but it would have worked perfect if it came yesterday, so it didn't. Let's drink more coffee and tackle this day. So I just put the video up about epoxy safety, and it is getting so much positive attention. I'm so excited. But this is how my office looks right now, and if you guys watch that video, you'll know that if you put it together, today is the same day that I shot that video. But so my lungs are still hurting, but I'm used to this. This is my life. I work on making them better, but I know that there's gonna be days when my lungs hurt a little bit more than other days. But today, the Scrapbox is actually coming. I'm super excited about it. It's my fault that it didn't get here in time because I was supposed to call and schedule them to get it here. So I'm gonna go live tomorrow, which when you see this will already have gone up. But in those moments when I don't feel well, I realize there are so many amazing people that are there with me when I do my live videos. But tomorrow, I'm hoping I can feel a little better. I'm gonna rest a little bit today and just get some work done sitting. And my husband's back in town, so he can help me put the box in my office. And I'm gonna get all my stuff finally in it, because it's been sitting here for like 3 days waiting for somewhere to be put. Hunter, did we get the Scrapbox? Did the Scrapbox finally come? Yeah, I'm so excited, Mom. All right, so Dustin's putting it together. He was mad because he's not dressed well for it.
IKEA stuff, Scrapbox stuff.
That's your job today?
Yeah.
Okay.
This came in the middle of me putting together Linda's IKEA bed.
So you're just getting practice.
Yeah.
But the nice thing is you literally have 6 places to screw when this comes together like this, right? Mm-hmm. So this is the pre-built way of it, so that it comes in 3 pieces, and then now I have to do all the bins and stuff and the shelves, which is really cool. Alright guys, so it's like a blank canvas. I've got all these shelves and bins and empty cubbies and all my craft stuff to put away. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it, and I don't know where to begin. So I'll give you guys some tips on Tuesday when we're live to go over how I actually did it, if I am successful. Are you gonna help me put the rest of this away?
Not right now.
It's a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Do you think it's gonna fit in my new Scrapbox?
Yeah.
Think it's gonna fit in all that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting pretty full. Alright guys, I am so close. I put the rest of the craft stuff that I have to organize, like all the little piddly stuff that just kind of got thrown into boxes over the last few years, on the desk. And I've got a bunch of extra empty bins because I reorganized it a little bit. But the floor is clear. The floor is clean! The floor is clean! And then all my office stuff is next. So that's another video in itself.